Welcome to Indian Odyssey. Today we are heading towards Ravanafadi cave in Aihole. Aihole is situated 446 kilometers to the north of Bengaluru, 132 kilometers to the northeast of Hubli, and 302 kilometers to the east of Panaji. This is a rock cut cave temple of the early Western Chalukyas dated to the 6th century, which is considered an important shrine in the development of early medieval Deccan architecture. This was built during the rule of early Western Chalukyas in 550 CE. It has a simple facade with two pillars at the entrance, flanked by a unique pair of Dwarpalas dressed in tunics. The cave's entrance leads to a rock-cut mandapa with chambers carved into its three walls. Opposite the entrance is a small vestibule containing a Shivalingam flanked by relief sculptures of Varaha rescuing Bhumi Devi on the left and Durga spearing Mahishasura on the right. The ceiling of the mandapa is decorated with a relief carved lotus medallion at its center, surrounded by ornamental bands depicting human torsos, makaras, and fish. The chamber on the left side has a tableauesque image of a 10-armed dancing Shiva accompanied by Parvati and the Saptamatrikas. Hope you like this video. See you soon with another gem of India.